How to use Google Drive for online storage. Free and lifetime. Step-by-step tutorial.
Welcome to our channel. If you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed, then please click subscribe button to subscribe and also press bell button for further notifications. And if you are already our subscriber, then please like and share our videos.
You can store and utilize later your photos, your academic documents, your training documents, your job documents, and many more. You can use Google Drive from desktop and laptop, web version, smartphones, app version. First of all, this is our desktop version. Here you will know how to use Google Drive from computer. We have three types of internet browser: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. We prefer to open Mozilla Firefox here, or you can open in any browser you like. In address bar, we type gmail.com and press enter. Now enter email ID or phone number in username box and then press next. Now enter password in password box and then press next. Browser shows the password save or not dialog box. We select don't save here. This is the option we need to select if the internet connection is slow. This type of page view is seen. Here, you get the option button with 9 dotted square. Then, click on Drive here. Loading icon can be seen here. Now, we click here on New. Then, we click on File Upload for single or multiple file upload. Note. Here, if we want to create a folder, then we click Folder. Or, if we want to upload folder inside Drive, then we click Folder Upload. We have a file located or placed in desktop. So, we click Desktop here. We have a file located or placed in desktop inside the folder named Google Drive, as you can see here. So, we click on Google Drive named folder here and click Open. Then, we scroll at the bottom of this folder. After scrolling at the bottom of this folder, we have this file to upload. We are uploading a single file this time for example purpose. Then, we click on this file and then, click on Open. The page is loading. This is the picture file we are trying to upload inside Drive. Now here you can see the view. Uploading one item. View of starting upload. When the upload is complete, you see the green circle ticked inside like this saying one upload complete. When the upload is complete, the file is seen inside Drive like this. And this way, hope you learned how to upload any file, folder, or documents inside Drive and use them for future. Now, after this you can see the video on how to use Google Drive from phone. Let's check out.
First of all, we need to open Wi-Fi or data. Then we go to menu, then Google folder, then we click on Drive.
And now we click on this plus button here, and it shows the folder option, upload option, scan option, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Here, Docs are like Microsoft Word, Google Sheets are like Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides are like Microsoft PowerPoint. And this folder option helps you create the folder inside this My Drive. And this upload option lets you upload anything like picture, movies, videos, anything you have in your phone. And this scan option lets you scan documents directly from your camera. And to upload a file or photo or movie, anything we have in our phone, we click on this upload button. We have option here. Here we can upload the content from like SD card, or like here internal memory, or anything given here above: images, videos, audio, and from recent list, or our downloaded content. or photos, anything. We have our content in phone. Like I'm going to upload a file, you can say a photo from this folder, formal man photo here, and I want to upload this. When I click on this photo, it will directly upload to my Google Drive. Look, here is the message, your one file is being uploaded to my drive, and you can see the message here waiting to upload, and the progress is going on. The file is being uploaded here, and this way, look, we have a picture here. The photo has been uploaded to my drive, and to view we can click here like this. Yes, this was the photo I just uploaded. And to download it in the future, and we click on this option here, and here are the different options, like we can share it to different people and send a copy, and here is the download or rename, print, remove, everything. To download it in the future, we click this download button and the file will download. Look, the message here. This way we can upload in our drive, and then we can reuse it for future use. And I hope you have learned here to upload a photo or a file or a document inside my drive, and hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share among friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for such interesting videos in future.